What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Entertainment. So there seems to be some tears and regrets for Tirelo, as she was opening up to Mseleko, the father of Mpumelelo. So she was like breaking down in tears and expressed her deep regrets. So Tirelo confessed to feeling lost and overwhelmed by the pressures of being part of the polygamous family, and she revealed how she struggles, with the emotional toll of the family dynamics. So we all know, being in a polygamous relationship, it's challenging. It's very, very much challenging. But I think Tirelo went to the wrong person here for comfort, and advice. I don't think Mseleku is that guy, to comfort Tirelo, because Mseleko is causing drama in his own polygamous marriage. So by Tirilo going to Musa Mseleko, she's like going to expand her nightmares even more. So Tirilo, was pouring out her emotions. It was clear that she felt neglected and unheard, especially in comparison to some of the other wives. So that is one of the things that Mpumelelo was taught by Musa Mseleko to keep your wives, equal and love them all equally. But Mpumelelo seems to be failing in managing that. So those words by Tirelo, are actually resonating with me and so many others, and I actually sympathize with her in the struggle to find a place within the family. So that emotional conversation, it sparks a discussion, about the pressures faced by many women in polygamous relationships, as well as the need for greater support and understanding from their husbands. But the challenge is that that support is not there from their husbands, so they may actually need it from others. But as I just said, I think Tirelo went to the wrong guy by going to Mseleku. Maybe she should have gone to another person. Tell me what you think in the comment section too.